My name is Devin, and I love to bake. You know when you're eating a bowl of cereal and you eat all the cereal and all that's left is the milk and you drink it like this? And it is so yummy. Have you ever heard of Christina Toasty? She is the owner of Milk Bar. Milk Bar is famous for cereal milk ice cream. They make it by pressing the milk through the cereal. That's what the ice cream is made of. At Milk Bar, I met the chef. He showed me all around their big, huge kitchen, and there was lots of chocolate frosting. It was so much they couldn't run out. They didn't run out of anything. He showed me all the cakes. There was so much cakes. And guess what? They are my favorite cakes. Chocolate.
Alex and Nick, they're two of our other chefs.
Hi, how are you?
This is Devin, the cutest chef.
Hi, Devin.
Our big mixers. Do you have a mixer at home? Can you see it underneath your mixer at home? Probably not. Look at all this cake. This is Tori. Daddy over there. These are our big ovens. Really big, huh? Careful, it's hot. Whoa, look at that. You only have two? Two, right? We have 20. And we have another one. We have a lot of cakes. See all the cakes right here? That's how we make all that cake. Pretty cool, huh? So cute.
Hi.
This is fudge sauce. You ever make fudge at home? Really easy and delicious. Cocoa powder, fudge, heavy cream. You got it. You already know. So our cake rings, our cake uses these. So each cake is its own ring. So it's just the perfect size. Cool. Just use that, right? So you know. We make little cakes too. For the classes. I was telling you about the classes. Each person in each class gets a little cake. There's birthday cakes, and chocolate class, and strawberry lemon classes, and all kinds of stuff. And you can see up here. So when you work in a kitchen, they're going to give you prep lists like this. See up here? So there's all this different stuff that we have to make every day. Cool, huh? This is all vanilla. Pretty crazy, huh? And yeah, all the dry stuff. So we call this dry storage because it's not in a fridge, right? So it's flour and sugar and peanuts and all that sort of stuff. This is all cornflakes. We use a lot.
We don't have those at home.
No, you don't. This is not your house. Want to see our fridge? How big is your fridge? This one's a little bigger. It's a whole room. It's ginormous, but you know what's even bigger is the freezer.
I went to the freezer. It was as big as my room. And he was like, we're gonna go really fast. And there was like, we were surrounded by rainbow cakes. It was so yummy.
So it's two doors, same freezer, one here and one there, goes all the way around. So you can see right here, it's 10 degrees in there right now. Very cold. I don't know if you have an idea of that yet. Watch out. We're gonna go fast because it's cold. We gotta get right back out again. Ready? Here we go. Look at all these cakes. Look at all those cakes. There's so many cakes. All the way back there and all the way over there.
And I've never seen so much rainbow cakes in my whole life.
Like that. Come back, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Hey, Devin. Thanks for coming to Milk Bar.